Okay, y'all, I had to set up my camera just so that I can do this unboxing, and I only have a few minutes left. I just got this in the mail. I was expecting it tomorrow, but it came today. So hopefully y'all can see this. Okay, I took advantage of the Black Friday sale that was going on for Chic Sparrow, and I got a couple of things on my wish list. I'm so excited. Alright, so as y'all are familiar with the packaging, it's beautiful. Here we go. Okay, so you've got the product warranty card. They're all in the creme leather. Y'all know I love pebble leather, and we have pajama day at the office today. We're going to be on like a video meeting afterwards, after my lunch, and yeah, so here I am. Okay, so this is the Pocket Plus, I believe that's, yep, Pocket Plus. Oh my goodness. I don't know if y'all could see this. Oh, beautiful. It's got texture, which I love, and there's no little mole here. I don't mind those either. Alright, so the Pocket Plus has 6 strings. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, and then I've got all of the ones that I ordered are deluxes. So, oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Oh, and they smell so good. Okay, then the pen loops, there weren't any that had the removal pen loops, but that's fine. I mean, I'm fine. No biggie. Y'all know I'm not, like, whether it's there or it's not, I'm happy regardless. I'll probably just put a pencil on it instead of a pen, if I put it in my purse. Okay, and then this one is the, oh, I forgot to tell you. This is in the color Crème Brûlée, and this one is the Crème Chocolate, so y'all can see. And I'm probably going to add another clip where it shows you like a little bit more detail in the lighting, a better lighting, but I'm just doing this for now, this part anyway. And so this one is the A6, so it just has the regular 4 strings. Yep. And then the last one, and this also has great texture. I'm so glad I got the ones with texture. Yay! Then the last one. Now the one I was waiting for to be in stock was the one without the pen loop. So I was waiting for the removal pen loop, but it never did come back in stock, so I went for the next best thing, because at one point I believe all of them were out of stock, even the ones with the pen loop. So the one that was in stock was the A5. Yes! Oh my goodness. Love it. It has texture. Now, there's not much texture on the inside though. And I'll show that in another clip that I do, a more detailed clip. This is more, you know, just the unboxing. But the texture on the outside, oh my goodness, is beautiful. This one smells beautiful as well. Smells beautiful. I meant smells delicious. I'm getting all my words mixed up because I'm so excited. It has some striation marks over here, and I'll show all of that to y'all in a more detailed clip. I'm just glad I have it. Oh, I'm so happy, you guys. Oh my goodness. And then I'll show more detail because I gotta eat lunch now before my work meeting. Okay, so this is the second half of the unboxing video, and I just wanted to show the details of my notebooks. This is the A5 Chocolate Crème in the Heritage Chic Sparrow. And I don't know if y'all can see the pebbling on here. It's beautiful. Absolutely loved it. So The inside of the pockets, they are smooth. I love that. This is super smooth right here. It's got striation marks, which I love. Gorgeous. And it's smooth on the inside. It's like fuzzy. So with time, that's going to get even fuzzier. Like a little pet. You're just going to want to pet it. Good TN, good TN. I know y'all, I'm so silly. I already started using them because I just couldn't wait, y'all. I just take my inserts out. This is just to show you the detail. It's just gorgeous. I am absolutely in love. And then here's the Pocket Plus in the Crème Brûlée in the creme leather. It's also in the Heritage. And look at that pebbling. I absolutely love it. I think this is the most pebbled creme that I have. Super, super pebbled. More in the front than in the back, but still, I absolutely love it. Even the pockets are pebbled. It's a pretty thick leather. And both of these only had the standard pen loop. I really wanted the removable pen loop, but they didn't have them. They were sold out, so. Yeah, I still love it. Yeah, like I said, I've already been using these because I couldn't wait. Just gorgeous. This one has moles. I love those. I love the moles. That means no one else has the same tan that I do, because it has its own markings. Yep. And it's smooth on the inside. So, color comparison. This is the Crème Brûlée color, and this is the chocolate. You know, I thought I'd give Crème Brûlée a try, but I don't know, I prefer the chocolate. It's just, I don't know, it's richer, I think. Also, this is, as you can see, a lot smoother than this. Alright, I really have to get off this because I have to be at work soon. Alright, so I am so happy with the purchase. I got it during the Black Friday sale, and it came real fast. I mean, real fast. It almost felt like it was like a couple of days. But I am in love with these. And like I said, I've already been using them. Alright, well, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!